Alright, looks like this one arrived today. My wife doesn't want this, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with the trail running board. Let's go try and open this up real quick. Alright. Let's see this. This box contains bolt packs. Alright. Let's see, it comes with bolts, all the hardware. Let's go check it out. Forerunner Trail Edition 2011. Okay, running board. And comes with hardware. Awesome. Alright, we're gonna remove these 3 bolts. Actually, gonna need to remove 6 bolts. It's going to be 12mm socket. Fits right in. Alright, I'm gonna have to install this. You're probably gonna need another person to help you out and lift this, so it would be a lot easier actually to align it. 13mm. See. Alright, it's bolted back on. It's looking good. I would say tying it about 25 pounds, 30 pounds. Yeah, I'm not sure you guys can see it, but this new trail running board is actually pretty flush towards the tire, the end of the tire, compared to the other one. Yeah, it still dips in. There's like probably about an inch or 2. Alright, it's looking good, guys. So the other side just gonna have to install the same way, held on by 6 bolts. The original one that came with it was 12mm, and the new one that came with this trail, the bolts are 13mm. So yep, other than that, it's looking good. Alright, so that's what it looks like without any running board. What it looks like with the trail running board. Alright, both sides are installed. Both are installed and it is looking good. Alright guys, probably took about 20 minutes really, tops. Have to videotape it, so yep, other than that, it's very easy install. So here's the old running board. This is actually a $600 option in factory. And this is the silver one is actually aluminum, so it's metal. and the top part is rubber, so it looks like you got a lot of grip on it. And flip it over, it's all aluminum, and there's the part number. Okay, so I mean, other than that, it looks pretty good. It's pretty sturdy. I mean, I like the fact, I like this running board, but it just doesn't match on the Lime Rush color of the TRD Pro. So but yeah, compared to the other one, the new one, the Trail, it's actually plastic. It's still pretty sturdy in a way. So okay.